what are the different types of marine habitats and the species that inhabit them? If you have ever wondered about the diverse worlds beneath the ocean's surface, you are about to embark on a fascinating journey. Let us explore the various types of marine habitats and the incredible species that call them home. Marine habitats can be broadly divided into two main categories: coastal habitats and open ocean habitats. Coastal habitats are found from the shoreline out to the edge of the continental shelf, and this is where most marine life thrives, despite it being only about 7% of the total ocean area. Coastal habitats: in coastal areas, you will find a variety of habitats. The intertidal zone, for instance, is constantly exposed and covered by the ocean's tides. Here, you will find rocky shores, mangrove forests, mud flats, estuaries, kelp forests, seagrass meadows, sandy shores, and coral reefs. Each of these habitats supports a unique set of species. Rocky shores are home to mollusks like oysters and limpets, crustaceans such as crabs and lobsters, and echinoderms like sea stars and sea urchins. Mangrove forests provide shelter for fish and shellfish, while kelp forests are dense underwater environments filled with seaweeds that support a wide range of marine life. Estuaries, where freshwater rivers meet the ocean, are crucial for many species, including fish that spawn in these areas. Seagrass meadows are vital for species like sea turtles and fish that feed on the grasses. Coral reefs, known for their vibrant colors and biodiversity, are home to thousands of species, from small fish to large predators. Open ocean habitats: beyond the continental shelf lies the open ocean, a vast and relatively unproductive area due to a lack of nutrients. However, its sheer size means it still has significant primary production. Here, you will find surface waters, the deep sea, and the ocean floor. The pelagic zone, near the surface or in the open water column, is home to pelagic fish and other organisms that drift or swim in the open ocean. The deep sea, characterized by extreme pressure and darkness, hosts unique creatures like anglerfish and giant squid. The ocean floor or benthic zone includes habitats like seamounts, hydrothermal vents, cold seeps, and marine sediments. These areas support species such as Norway lobsters, fireworks anemones, and sea pens, which thrive in deep, soft mud. Ecosystem engineers: some marine organisms are ecosystem engineers, meaning they create habitats for other species. Corals, kelp, mangroves, and seagrasses are examples of these engineers. For instance, coral reefs protect mangrove forests and seagrass meadows from strong currents and waves, while these forests and meadows protect the coral from pollutants and sediment. Mutualisms: there are also mutualistic relationships between species in adjacent habitats. For example, fringing reefs protect mangrove forests and sea grass meadows, while these forests and meadows protect the reefs from large influxes of silt and pollutants. This mutualism benefits many coral reef animals, which may feed in the seagrass and use the reefs for protection or breeding. Specific habitats: in Scotland, for example, you will find unique habitats like marl beds and burrowed mud, which are home to species such as Norway lobsters and fireworks anemones. Sea lochs in Scotland have inner basins that mimic deep-sea conditions, hosting creatures that are rarely seen in other shallow waters. In New Zealand, the continental shelf has mid-shelf habitats dominated by bryozoans and sponges, which prefer rock and gravel seabeds. These areas have high species diversity and are crucial for many marine organisms. Understanding these marine habitats and the species that inhabit them is essential for appreciating the complexity and beauty of our ocean's ecosystems. Each habitat, whether in coastal or open ocean areas, plays a vital role in supporting the incredible diversity of marine life.